Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Haerani Hermawan from the SI2PA Class Information Systems Study Program. Here, I will present the result of scientific writing. Scientific writing. What is scientific writing? Scientific writing is a scientific essay that presents facts and is written according to a good and correct writing methodology. An essay can be said to be scientific if it expresses a problem using the scientific method. Next, and this is the title of a scientific paper that I made. Why did I choose that the title? Because, in my opinion, the current situation requires us to be able to use the gadget as a learning medium, and how can students stay focused on their study? Next, structure of scientific paper. Before the introduction, before the introduction, is an abstract. The abstract discusses the conclusion of the study, but in the abstract it is more specific. Introduction. Explanation about the problem, like background and formulation of the problem. And this is the introduction in my scientific writing. In the introduction, I discuss the meaning of gadget technology and its use as a learning medium. And number two, method. Explanation about the step to solve the problem. And this is the method in my scientific writing. Here, I discuss about the method used, population, and sample. And number three is result. Presentation about the result of the step to solve the problem. Result. Describing data that has been researched and analyzed. There are 3 points. Generate from filling out the questionnaire. Number 1. Data students who have their own gadget. Visualization of gadget technology as a medium maximal. This is indicated by the dominant student having their own gadget. According to the data above, there are not many students who do not have their own gadget. But to do learning, these students use the gadget of their parent or their family. Number 2. Data about duration of using gadget per studying in a day. The duration of using gadget for learning media at SD Negeri Jayanegara only 17%. of students use their gadget to study within a span of 6 hours. Students also feel bored when studying for too long. And finally, they open other applications or do other activities besides studying. Evidence by the data in the diagram above shows that students only last 1 until 2 hours in using their gadget to study, and the longest it lasts up to 4 hours. Next, number three, data about application or website used by students in using their gadget. In this study, the research examines what application or website are often used by students in using their gadget. The data above show that students use gadgets more to play games online and watch YouTube, sometimes open Google to help learn and open social media to have fun or communicate. Next, number four, discussion. Discussion about the presentation of the result of the step to solve the problem. Discussion. And this is the discussion in my scientific writing. writing. I discuss about the problem that happened. Mm, And then conclusion and the last reference. Conclusion. I discuss in conclusion of this research. And reference. It is a reference used by researchers to complete this research. And thanks for watching my video.